My dear friends, in the previous table, we have already practiced this do you table, but now I am giving you how to practice with do I. Again, I'll tell you that speaking depends on your work of mouth and tongue. That's why it is very important for you to practice with all the pronouns, with different verbs, to use them either with the help of table and also at your home with your family members, in your friend circle, and everywhere. If you find anyone to talk English, you should speak with them, because speaking is the only way to make a practice of speaking or to make yourself fluent, because in speaking you want to take the work from your tongue and mouth. So here already, because do you table you have seen, and here I am giving you do I table. So do I go there? क्या मैं वहां जाता हूं? Yes, you go there. Here is in bracket do. जब हम ये कहते हैं कि yes you do go there, हाँ तुम वहां जाते तो हो. Or if I say negative answer, no you do not go there or you don't go there. Contraction of do not is don't. So in the previous table already you have seen do you go there? Yes I go there, no I don't go there. But in this table it is opposite. Do I go there? When the speaker is asking about himself, and the man who is listening his question, who is ready to give the answer, he will answer with you. जब यहाँ I के साथ क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा तो you के साथ जवाब दिया जाएगा. जिस तरह से इसके प्रीवियस टेबल में you से क्वेश्चन किया जाता था कि do you go there, क्या तुम वहां जाते हो, तो आंसर होता था yes I go there, no I don't go there. उसी तरह इस टेबल में है कि do I go there, क्या मैं वहां जाता हूं, तो आंसर होगा yes you go there, no you don't go there. तो इसको पढ़ेंगे do I go there, yes you go there, no you don't go there. Do I come here, yes you come here, no you don't come here. Do I read the book, yes you read the book, no you don't read the book. Do I write a letter, yes you write a letter, no you don't write a letter. Do you open the door, yes you open the door, no you don't open the door. Do I close the window, yes you close the window, no you don't close the window. Do I take tea, yes you take tea, no you don't take tea. Do I give money, yes you give money, no you don't give money. Do I eat mango, yes you eat mango, no you don't eat mango. Do I drink milk, yes you drink milk, no you don't drink milk. In this week you can practice.